Child seer Mallikarjun Muthiah releases video after POCSO case, claims innocence following the registration of a POCSO case against him. Mallikarjun Muthiah, the seer of Yamunereshwara Matha in Mahal Roja village, Sahapur Taluk, has surfaced by releasing a video message from an undisclosed location. Our video recently went viral on social media showing Mallikarjun Muthiah allegedly behaving inappropriately with a 7-year-old minor girl. The Karnataka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights took sumoto cognizance of the video, leading to an FIR under the POCSO Act and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhitan. In a video released after reports of him absconding surfaced, Muthiah urged his devotees not to panic. He stated, "I am still local. I am not run away. I was away disturbing invitation for a mass marriage ceremony scheduled at the Matha." Acknowledging the police summons, he added, "I have heard that the police are looking for me. I am ready to appear before them whenever they call me. This is not a matter to worry about." While the video sparked public outrage, the girl's parents, who are reportedly distant relatives and devotees from Maharashtra, have stood by the seer. They claim his actions were merely parental blessing and the viral video was misinterpreted or twisted by the public. However, the Child Welfare Committee found prima facie evidence of intentional misconduct leading to the legal proceedings.
ನಾನು ಮಾಲ್ರೋಜಾ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಮುತ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯ ನನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಮಠದ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಂದರೆ ಯಾವದ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡೋಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆತಂಕ ಪಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಲೋಕಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 13ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಠದ ಮಾಲ್ರೋಜ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಮದುವೆ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಬಂದೀನಿ. ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ಕರೆ ನೀಡ್ಯಾರಂತ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾರ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಾರಂತ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸಿದ್ಧನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡೋಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ.